Hello friends. I am happy to be here with you today to share some tips for your beloved cats. As you know, cats are wonderful animals, but they can also be a bit mysterious and challenging to handle. That's why I've gathered 3 tips that might be useful to you in the care of your little 4-legged friends. Maintain their personal hygiene. Cats are very clean animals by nature, but it is still important to help them maintain their personal hygiene. Brush their fur regularly, especially if they have long hair, to avoid tangles or knots. Also, trim their nails once in a while to prevent damage to furniture or scratches to people. Finally, clean their litter box regularly to maintain a clean and hygienic environment. Offer them adequate nutrition. It's important to make sure your cat gets an adequate and balanced diet to meet all your nutritional needs. Ask your vet for advice. Age-appropriate nutrition to weight and to your cat's health. Also, make sure you always offer them fresh, clean water. Stimulate their physical and mental activity. Cats need physical and mental activity to maintain good health. Offer them toys and places to climb to stimulate their physical activity. Also, offer them opportunities to play that stimulate their mind, like finding food games or cat puzzles. This will help them avoid boredom and maintain good mental health. These are just 3 tips for taking care of your cats, but there are many more. Remember to always love and respect your pets, and you will be rewarded with their unconditional love and loyalty. Thanks for following me, and see you next time.